Alright, my name is Satvik Mada, and for my end of semester project, I'll be going over a variety of topics such as physical and chemical changes and density. In order to do this, I will be baking a cake, which I haven't done in 4 years, so hopefully I don't burn the house down. A physical change is any type of change that doesn't change the matter of an object. This includes examples such as cutting an object, tearing it, or mixing it in with other substances, such as dissolving salt in water. Chemical change, on the other hand, is when the properties of a matter do change, and there are a variety of indicators of a chemical change, such as the production of gas, color change, or the production of precipitate. Finally, density is the measure of matter per unit of volume, typically measured in grams per centimeter cubed. Alright, so I'm gonna start off by preparing the wet and dry ingredients. Alrighty, so this is the finished product. Mixing everything together is an example of a physical change because none of the individual ingredients are changing chemically. Alright, one of the main ingredients in cake batter that accounts for its properties is baking powder. Now, baking powder is a mixture of sodium bicarbonate and an acidic element. The combination of sodium bicarbonate with an acidic element creates carbon dioxide gas, which causes the bubbles that are formed within the cake. In order to show this difference between batter with baking powder and without baking powder, we're going to use a baking dish that's separated and have one half filled with the batter with baking powder and one half filled with batter without baking powder. Alright, so this is the final product, and as you can clearly see, the batter with the baking powder rose much more than the one without. And even upon taking a closer look, you can see that there are much bigger bubbles in the one with baking powder than the one without. This production of gas suggests that a chemical change has occurred. Also, accounting for the fact that we use equal amounts of batter in each cake, and that the left cake has grown larger, we can conclude that the cake with baking powder has a lower density than the cake without baking powder. Thanks for watching.